We're taking 19th century manuscript collection and using 21st century technology, making it available to anyone who's interested anywhere in the world to access for free. P.W Joyce collected this music. He was a very high-ranking educationist and great researcher and writer. One of his great concerns was that the music he knew as a kid in 1830, 1840 was vanishing in front of his very eyes. He was involved in a society for the preservation of the melodies of Ireland, which was a precursor really to the Irish Traditional Music Archive where we are today. They were mostly collected in Limerick, Glenusheen and Kilfinnan. There's 371 tunes recorded in this collection. We were trying to make it as practical as possible for learners. Instead of hearing something on a MIDI file and a keyboard sound, to hear a traditional musician playing it, and that to be easier able to learn the tune then, and that the collection kind of jumps off the page a bit more natural and easier to use.
Ceol den scoth sin ó Johnny Clean agus Pádraig sulan go bhfuil sultas. Dulm siad an trí jig sin ón bailiúchán P.W Joyce agus tá achannaí ar áisina seo aghain áisina Foghlaim mas mí léin den na faointe na ólam. So I hope you enjoyed those great tunes and great performance by Clean, Johnny and Pádraig. This is the first tune that Johnny and Cliona and Pádraig played. It's gone anam actually. It was collected by P.W Joyce in the early, mid 19th century in Limerick, and it's in an interactive digital score here. So you can click on the tune. Now, the notes are here if you like to learn with the notes. If you would like to slow down the tune to a slower pace while you're learning it, you can do that too. You can even slow it to half speed, which is... Or if you're like me and most traditional musicians, you may prefer to learn by phrase. So if we just took, say if we took the opening phrase, if you were to learn that on your own, and maybe at 3/4 speed. So in essence, you can pretty much teach yourself the tune. Just the likes of myself as former music teachers out of a gig, but there's 371 tunes in port in the P.W Joyce collection, and that's what we sent to Johnny Og, Cliona and Pádraig when they were looking to access the archive here remotely. So I hope some of you enjoyed. I hope some of you learned a few tunes, and best of luck with them. Slán go fóill.